10 reasons to build a portfolio. Hi, I'm Bernice. We will be going over the reasons to start building your portfolio today or as soon as you begin your journey. Why should I build a portfolio? Building a portfolio is one of the smartest things you can do for your career, especially if you're in tech, design, web development, writing, or any creative or digital field. 10 reasons why you should build a portfolio. Number one, show, don't just tell. So the portfolio, you can actually show your projects instead of just telling people that you did them. It's there that they can see it. Stand out to employers or clients. Build an online presence. Track your progress. Practice and sharpen your skills. Boost confidence. Perfect for freelancers and creatives. Tell your story, attract opportunities, and future proof your career. So, first, show, don't just tell. A portfolio proves your skills in action. Instead of just saying, I know HTML and CSS, you can show the websites you've built, designs you've made, and apps you've created. To stand out to employers or clients, the hiring managers and clients often look at portfolios before resumes. A well designed portfolio says you're serious, you take pride in your work, and you can actually deliver. 3, build an online presence. A personal portfolio website makes you searchable and professional online. It's your digital business card. It's great for networking, freelancing, and personal branding. You can track your progress. Your portfolio is like a growth journal. As you build more projects, you can see how far you've come and identify areas to improve. Practice and sharpen your skills. Creating a portfolio site gives you hands-on experience if you're in web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, design, UX or UI, layout, color, writing, explaining your work clearly, and version control using Git or GitHub. Boost confidence. When you see your own work presented beautifully online, it builds confidence and helps you believe in your value. It's perfect for freelancers and creatives. If you are a freelancer, designer, writer, or developer, clients will often ask for examples of your work. A portfolio site lets you land gigs faster and charge more. Tell your story. A portfolio lets you share your background, your goals, and your personality. It's a chance to say, here's who I am, what I've done, and what I want to do next, and also how I can help you. People may stumble across your site and offer you job interviews, collaboration invites, speaking gigs, or mentorship opportunities. And number 10, future proof your career. No matter how the job market changes, a solid portfolio gives you more control over your career. It works for remote jobs, freelance projects, and side hustles. Just in summary, a portfolio helps you get noticed, prove your skills, advance your career, and whether you're looking for your first job, a freelance gig, or a personal brand boost. And thank you, and I wish you a great day.